Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In our today's video, we are going to learn about the science of static electricity and how it's caused. Before getting into our video, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to get our daily video notifications. Who found the static electricity and when was it originally discovered? Thales, a Greek, found that when amber was wrapped with silk, it became electrically charged and attracted objects. He had originally discovered static electricity. This is in 600 BC. Static electricity is a familiar electric phenomenon in which charged particles are translated from one body to another. For example, static electricity causes hair to stand up. This is because it reacts to surroundings. If two objects are rubbed together, especially if the objects are insulators and the surrounding air is dry, the objects acquire equal and opposite charges. What happens when you walk on carpet? Have you ever seen a small spark fly after you have walked across the carpet in your sock feet and touched the doorknob? What happens when clothes get rubbed to wool? Have you ever felt the small jolt when snuggling under the blankets in the middle of the winter from your clothes rubbed against wool? How is this happening? How are sparks caused? These sparks are caused by static electricity. Clothes and blankets rub together and electricity jumps from one fiber to another. But from where do these sparks come? Have you ever thought of it? During thunderstorms, giant sparks of static electricity lighting jump from cloud to cloud. The air moves and causes ice and water droplets to rub against each other in the clouds. The clouds become charged with static electricity. Positively charged particles rise to the top of the cloud and the negatively charged particles fall to the bottom of the cloud. What happens to the negative charged particles when they are down? The negative charged particles are attracted to positively charged particles on the top of the other clouds and on the ground and jump towards them, causing light. So, by now we are clear about the causes of static electricity. Materials are made of atoms that are normally electrically neutral because they contain equal number of positive and negative charges. The phenomena of static electricity requires a separation of positive and negative charges. When two materials are in contact, electrons may move from one material to the other, which leaves an excess of positive charge on one material and an equal negative charge on the other. When the materials are separated, they retain this charge, which is imbalance. Hope you are clear with today's topic. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also drop your comments in the comment section.